Dapat alam mo ang mga acronyms, lalong-lalo na kapag gusto mong lumandi pero tamad ka mag-chat. LOML, Love of My Life. XOXO, Hugs and Kisses. LDR, Long Distance Relationship. LTR, Long-Term Relationship. PDA, Public Display of Affection. ILY, I love you. GF, girlfriend. BF, boyfriend. LYSM, love you so much. Italy, I trust and love you. China, come here, I need affection. Burma, between us, remember me always. Tikoy, take care of yourself. FWB, friends with benefits. Kayo, ano yung mga alam nyong acronyms? Ilagay nyo nga sa comment para alam rin namin.